police interceptor. A lot of people don't realize you can park after 6 p.m. and on especially Fridays through the weekend right here at the courthouse. No one will object. And there are roosters over there that were crowing earlier. And I'm taking you to the Green Parrot Bar. There's a black band in here from New Orleans that's playing, and I just missed a great saxophone solo by this guy. I'll show you what the atmosphere of this place is like. There's always a band playing. What's happening. I'm gonna have to have another beer. Just thought I'd come out here and look on the street, see what's going on. Saturday night activity, traffic. This is not even the main thoroughfare. It's a crowded weekend here.